Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. So today, if you're looking for a half up, half down braid for thin hair, watch this tutorial. It's super easy, super quick. Let's get going. Okay guys, so you're going to be working with this front section of hair. This section has got to get you all to the back. So it can't be too short. So I feel like I might need just a little bit more there, like this, okay? And you're going to break this section into two pieces. And these two pieces are going to be twisted over all the way through this braid, okay? So I'm going to come to the bottom piece and I'm just going to lift it up to the top, so I've swapped them over. You're then going to grab a small section of hair from the top, just nice and thin, doesn't have to be a big section, and you're going to place that through this gap here. So it goes through that gap, grabbing hold of your two sections again, and that bit stays forward, okay? So now you're going to go again. This bottom section is going to be swapped, like that. So now it's your top section. You're going to hold those two strands again, grab another small section of hair. So these are your two sections. This is the one that I've just grabbed. It's going to come through the middle, like that, and go down. So again, your bottom one is going to come up to the top, grabbing another bit of hair, goes through the centre and gets dropped down again. I kind of want it angling down a little bit, and I'm not going to take it all the way around the back because my little sections won't get me there, so I'll show you what I do. If you've got longer hair, you can take it all the way to the back, no problem. I'm only going to be able to do one more because my sections are getting so kind of short, so I'm going to do one more. So I'm just going to kind of like twist this little strand, even just kind of put it together like that, okay? Now, you could just kind of like get a hair grip and pin it, but I don't like that look. So instead, I'm going to lift up this back section of hair, bring this underneath, just to make it a little bit easier. I'm just going to hold this hair out of the way. So I've got the small section and the braid section joined together. You're then going to tie a little elastic there. You could use grips, but I like to use elastics, especially with my fine hair, because you just can't see them. You're then going to release this hair down. Okay guys, so coming back to this side, you've kind of got to do it but in an opposite way, which, yeah, sometimes messes. I find this side way easier. If you've got a side that you find easier, and this eye is easier than that eye to do. Okay, so break it in two, try and make sure, can you see how that one's long and that one's short? So I need to make sure on both bits of hair, I've got as much length as I can get, okay? So bottom one comes up, like so. Small strands of hair, goes through the middle, gets dropped down. Bottom one gets swapped for the top one, so whoop. So you'll just lift this hair out of the way, grab a little section, join it together. As you can see guys, super cute little half updo braids both sides. You can join them together at the back if you want. I choose not to. I like the hair to fall down at the back, so let me know if you think this is cute.